Fried carp is one of the Germany's traditional dishes eaten during Christmas time. Juicy fish meat, crispy coating, and the delicious potato salad were a perfect combination to celebrate the last day of Lent. If you bought a fish fillet like I did, the first thing what you need to do is check for any scales. If there's some left, please remove them. Marinated carp one day ahead helps eliminate the fish's muddy taste, so I would advise to do that. Next step is to wash the fish and tap it dry with a paper towel. The first step of the marination process is rubbing the fish with salt from both sides. My favorite way of marinating carp is to use onion. To prepare it, you need to peel the onion and cut it into slices. Then you cover the fish with onion slices from both sides. Fish marinated that way needs to rest in the fridge overnight. If you don't have this much time, however, you can use the lemon marinade. For this, you need to pour lemon juice from one lemon over the fish and marinate it for 30 minutes in the fridge. After this, you need to wash off the marinade with a cold water. And by the way, on that day when I was filming, we actually didn't have a water in the tub, so I used the water filter. And then you need to tap the fish dry. Cut the carp into smaller pieces. And now it's time to bread it. First, you need to prepare the breading station. One container needs to have salted egg, one all-purpose flour, and the last one breadcrumbs. And at this point, you can also prepare a large plate lined with a paper towel where you're gonna put your fish pieces after frying. Then you need to preheat a large frying pan. Melt clarified butter or oil in it. Check with a wooden spoon if the temperature is correct. The temperature is right. Now you're gonna need to bread your fish quickly. You will cover the pieces with all-purpose flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. And then you will put it straight into the pan. Fry each piece for 3 to 4 minutes depending on the thickness. Place the pan-fried carp on a plate lined with a paper towel to eliminate excess fat. If preparing fish for a larger party, preheat the oven to 120 degrees Celsius and keep the pan-fried carp there until ready to serve. So, I think that was even easier than preparing a schnitzel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!